This is Mark Saunders with Softy. I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how to do a permanent link test with the Wirexpert 4500. I have two previous videos showing you how to physically set up the devices and how to set up the software. First we had to do the set reference. That was what was on session 1. This is going to show how to do the actual permanent link test. For this, we have two permanent link adapters. They have the Terra connector on the top, 1 and 2. We will install these units in our Wirexpert units. We have two of these, local and remote unit. They are identical in look, but you will do most of your work in your local. We have our link cables, permanent link cables that we use. These have the Terra connectors on the end that allow you to plug them in with the connector for the permanent link. And then I have here about 20 meters of category 6A with permanent link adapters on the end. We're going to use this as our test cable. Obviously, this would usually be mounted in the wall. So first thing we do, take our Wirexperts, plug in the back of the unit, the permanent link connector simply snaps in, and then I'm going to power this one up. Take this unit, same thing, snap the connector in the back, power up the unit, put them back here where we can see them. They will take a moment to power up. And next thing we'll do while they're powering up, I want to get my cables here. These come with the Wirexpert set. Plug the Terra connector into the back of the unit. Fairly simple process. You can't plug it in wrong. If it's hard, you're not doing it right. But the clip, I don't know if you can see that on the side. This little clip right here goes to the back of the unit. Line it up, clip it in. Just about like this. And then I'm going to take my other unit. Again, get the Terra connector here. Take it up. Line up the clip. And plug it in. And we now have our two units set up, connected. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the, let's get turned here toward the camera a little better. Undo the cover from the RJ45 connection. This one of these will plug in to permanent link. This would normally be in the wall. Take the other unit, remove it. Again, it would plug into the other end of the permanent link. There'll be a noise to set up the unit. And we'll go to setup on the local unit. I have a slight error. You won't see this. I'll show it on the screen. But right now it's set up for a channel test. We are doing a permanent link test, so I'll have to go back in. You'll see this when I go through the next session where I'll show all the screens. We need to change the limit using the touchscreen to a 6A permanent link. Then it will be happy with the unit. Go back to information. Now it's happy with the channel. It does know that we have link connectors, permanent link connectors in there rather than channel connectors. You can find a little bit of the cables. You won't have this problem when obviously when you're working at remote units. Simple thing to do, it's all set up. You can check your calibration date. Again, I'll walk through the software and show you where that is. Nothing else to do. Either on the local unit or on the remote unit, you can do an auto test. Simply hit the auto test. It takes about 9 seconds to do the test. The test is in progress. I'm being quiet. the auto test has passed. You'll get notification on the screen that it's good. You'll get all your losses, etc. You're now done with the link test. At the bottom of the screen there's a save key. You can save the test and it will be stored in the local unit, and you're ready to move on to the next one. That's simple permanent link testing. If you have any questions, please call Softing North America or go to our website. The next video, you'll see session 2. You'll see me go through the same process. However, this time I will have the screen shown, so you'll see all the setups on the screen. Thank you. Again, this is Mark Saunders with Softing North America, and hopefully this is helpful.